Here are detailed specifications and features of the C3STROM ASTRO PRO electric cycle, one of the more powerful e-bikes, or moped-style e-bikes, on the market in its class. I include both the official specs and common real-world caveats. White heavy checkmark key specs and what it offers. Motor, 750W rear hub motor, nominal, with 1400 W peak power, torque 80 Nm. Battery, 52V20 Ah, 1040 Wh, removable lithium-ion battery using Samsung 21700 cells. Estimated range: 32 miles on full throttle only. Up to 78 miles using pedal assist, PAS, level 1, under ideal conditions. Top speed: 28 mph in Class 3/Street mode. Up to 32 mph in Off-Road/Unlocked mode. Note, may not be legal everywhere. Build and frame: 6061 series aluminum alloy frame. Weight and load capacity: 94-95 lb, almost equals 43 kg, for the bike. Supports rider/total load up to 330 lb, almost equals 150 kg, per manufacturer. Tires and wheels: fat tires, 20x 4.25, puncture resistant/street ready but give a moped-like feel. Gearing and drivetrain: 8-speed, Shimano Altus derailleur, 56T crankset with 170mm crank arms, standard pedals included. Brakes and suspension: 4-piston hydraulic disc brakes, front suspension fork, lockout, 80mm travel. Rear is hardtail, no rear suspension. Lighting and extras: 130 lux LED headlight, with high/low beam, integrated front and rear turn signals, LED taillight, full coverage fenders, optional rear rack, can hold a second battery or cargo, USB port on handlebar, LCD display, and app connectivity, via Maker's app on iOS/Android. Warning: what to keep in mind, real-world considerations and reported limitations. While the manufacturer claims, up to 78 miles per charge, many reviews and user reports, especially throttle-only, find that actual throttle-only range tends to be 30-40 miles, not 78. The off-road mode/32 miles per hour top speed may get the bike close to moped/motorcycle performance, which may be illegal or require additional licensing, depending on where you are.